driveway mechanic, working on this Ford Focus C-Max again, TDCI, 1.6 diesel. The engine warning light had come on saying that, I think it was MIL fluid or something like that, so I looked it up, and it's basically this stuff here, this PAT fluid. There's a little tank on these cars that needs refilling about every 70,000 miles. It helps the DPF burn soot or whatever it does. So anyway, I parked one wheel up on a curb. I've got a little mat here, and when you get under the car, go under where the spare wheel would be, past the axle, and then you've got these two connections here. The bottom one is the breather, and the top one just pops off. If you've worked on these Fords before, it's got a little blue button. You push that in and it slides off. When you buy this PAT fluid, you get a little connector like this. So then you just slot your connector onto that one when you pull that off. Got a tube, connects to the end of this bottle. I sort of held it, I could stretch it to about here. I went up by the wheel, which gave me a little bit of height, and you just keep squeezing and squeezing and squeezing, and eventually got most of it in, tiny bit left in the pipe. But and then you just pop it back off, pop it back, pop the connection off, put this little one back on, and I've got just a basic code reader. I'll go and clear the codes, and hopefully that will do for another 70,000 miles. I put a litre in there. It's only not a very big tank. It might take, I think a litre will do it anyway. So yeah, that's another little job done. Any questions, put them in the comments below. Thank you.